Hello students, let us start with the new topic of the digital marketing subject, that is website. In this topic, we are going to learn the all aspects of the website, that is the team behind the website, the design aspects, the structure of the website, and different types of the website. So let us first try to understand what is website. In simple terms, website is a collection of web pages hyperlinked with each other, located under a single domain name. So what is hyperlink? Hyperlink is nothing but an on-click access, and domain name is identification string of a website. Domain name is identification string of a website. A website is hosted on a computer system known as web server, also called Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP) server, and these terms can also refer to the software that runs on these systems and that delivers the web pages in response to request from the web user. Apache is the most commonly used web server software, and Microsoft Internet Information Server (IIS) is also commonly used. It could be the work of an individual, a business, or other organization, and is typically dedicated to some particular topic or purpose. Any website can contain a hyperlink to any other website. Websites are written in or dynamically converted to HTML, hypertext markup language, and are accessed using a software interface classified as a user agent. Web pages can be viewed or otherwise accessed from a range of computer-based and internet-enabled devices of various aspect ratios, including desktop computer, laptop, PDA, and cell phones. Now let us try to understand the team behind the website. So the website is controlled by different members which are involved in the creation and the maintenance of the website. The first team member is the owner, then the account and project manager, then venture capitalists, programmers and graphic designers, creative directors, and content writers and marketers. All these people are involved in designing of website and maintenance of website. Now, let us try to understand what is the role of each team member involved in a website. Owners. They are the main entity who is in need to put their business on internet and have global presence. Their requirement depends upon business and products they have. Depending upon their requirement, static, dynamic, transaction website or portal is decided. Venture capitalists. These are the people or organization that do funding for the entire project and have stake in profit sharing. Creative directors. The responsibilities of a creative director include leading the communication design, interactive design, and concept, forward in any work assigned. He is capable of training others in all the design aspects. Account and project manager. The role of account and project manager is maintaining the accounts, tracking budget and schedules, managing scope, creating project plans, calling out risk, and managing a development team for successful project completion. Programmers and graphic designers. There are two primary jobs involved in creating a website: the web designer and web developer, who often work closely together on a website. The web designers are responsible for the visual aspect, which includes the layout, coloring, and typography of a web page. Web designers will also have a working knowledge of using variety of languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, etc. Depending on the scope of project, web design may involve or evolve collaboration between software engineers and graphic designers. Graphic designer creates visual for the site such as logos, layout, and buttons. Content writers and marketers. Following people are evolved in content writing. Content writers and marketers. Following people are involved in content writing and marketing of a website. Internet marketing specialist to help to maintain web presence through strategic solution on targeting viewers to the site by using marketing and promotional techniques on the internet. Search engine optimizing, SEO writers to research and recommend the correct word to be incorporated into a particular website and make the website more accessible and found on the numerous search engines. Internet content writers or copywriters to create the written content of the page to appeal to targeted viewers of the website. Now, students, let us try to understand the design, structure, and the types of websites. Now, this is the structure of the website. In the figure, we can see the hierarchy of the website, in which at the top there is a home page, and then there is a subdivision, sub-level of the website, and another level of the website. So the website works in this type of hierarchy. So at the very top, there is a home page. Then at another level, main topic pages are there. Then the subtopic pages are there at the next level, and at the very below level, different posts are there. Means there are some contents which are related to that subtopic pages. So in this type, in this way, the website works. Now, this is a typical layout or structure of the website, in which the top area is commonly known as a header of the website, and the below area is known as a footer of the website. Then at the center, there is a main content column. Then all other, means it depends upon the design of the website, how we arrange different elements in a given area. Now, this is one another layout of the website. So for every website, you will find some different layout. By using the text editor like Notepad, and HTML code can be written for the web pages. Now, if you can see, this is a code which is a HTML code, hypertext markup language code, which is written in a Notepad for the web page. Okay, and this is one. This is the HTML element. So for every HTML element, there is one opening tag and one closing tag, and in between the element content is there. So in this way, by using HTML language, markup language, the code for the web page is written. By using WYSIWYG editors like Dreamweaver and WordPress media rich web pages can be created. So what is WYSIWYG? What you see is what you get. Now, to understand this concept, let us try to understand that there are so many softwares available in the market by which, without using any coding, we can directly design the web pages by using the drag and drop options on that particular software. And there are some facilities like WordPress by which we can create media rich web pages by using different ready-made templates. So this is regarding all the designing part of the website. Now let us move towards the types of website. Basically, in website, there are two different types, main types. One is static website and second is dynamic website. Static website is one that has web pages stored on the server in the format that is sent to client web browser. It is primarily coded in hypertext markup language, HTML. This may include information about a company and its products and services via text, photos, animations, audio, video, and interactive menus and navigation. This type of website usually displays the same information to all visitors. Visitors are not able to control what information they receive via static website. So this is the limitation of the static website. Dynamic website. A dynamic website is one that changes or customizes itself frequently and automatically based on certain criteria. Dynamic websites can have two types of dynamic activity: code and content. Dynamic code is invisible or behind the scenes, and dynamic content is visible or fully displayed. The main purpose of dynamic website is automation. A dynamic website can operate more effectively, be built more effectively, and easier to maintain, update, and expand. It is much simpler to build a template and database than to build hundreds or thousands of individual static HTML web pages. So the dynamic website is more beneficial as compared to the static website. Affiliate website. So this is one type of website. A website, typically a few in pages, whose purpose is to sell a third party's product. The seller receives a commission for facilitating the sale. So this is This type of website is also called as a commission-based website. Then archive website. This website is used to preserve valuable digital content. Blogs. Websites generally used to post online diaries, which may include discussion forums. Many bloggers use blogs like an editorial section of a newspaper to express their ideas on anything ranging from politics to religion. Some bloggers are professional bloggers and they are paid to blog about the certain subject, and they are usually found on news sites. Brand building. A site with a purpose of creating and experience of a brand online. These sites usually do not sell anything but focus on building a brand. Brand building sites are most common for low value, high value, fast moving consumer. Celebrity website. A website use information revolves around a celebrity. These sites can be official or fan-made. Community websites. A website where people with similar interests communicate with each other using by chat or message boards. Content sites. Websites whose business is the creation and distribution of original content. Corporate sites used to provide background information about the business organization or services. E-commerce sites. A sites offering goods and services for online sale and enabling online transaction for such sales. Government sites. A website made by the local state department or national government of a country. Usually, these sites also operate websites that are intended to inform tourists or support tourism. Information sites. Most websites could fit in this type of website in some extent. Many of them are not necessarily for commercial purposes. Media sharing sites. A site that enables users to upload and view media such as pictures, music, and videos. Mirror sites. A website that is replication of another website. These types of websites are used to respond to spikes in user visitors. Mirror sites are most commonly used to provide multiple sources of the same information and are particular value as way of providing reliable access to large downloads. News sites. Similar to an information site, but dedicated to dispensing news, politics, and commentary. Personal sites. Websites about an individual or a small group, such as a family, that contains information or any content that the individual wishes to include. This website is different from a celebrity website, which can be very expensive and run by published or an agency. Torrent sites. Websites that index torrent files. The term torrent refers to a file shared through a decentralized peer-to-peer, that is P2P sharing network. Peer-to-peer file sharing allows user to exchange files without uploading these to the server. The term may also refer to the file name extension or metadata that tells trackers, programmers that coordinate the transfer of the torrents where to get torrent files. Political sites. A site on which people may voice political views, show political humor, campaigning for election, or show information about a certain political party or ideology. Review sites. A site on which people can post reviews for products and or services. On these type of sites, a comparative analysis between the products or services is also carried out. Search engine sites. A website that indexes material on the internet and provides links to information as response to the query. Social bookmarking sites. Sites where users share other content from the internet and read the comment on the content. Social networking sites. Sites where users could communicate with one another and share media such as pictures, videos, music, blogs, etc. with other users. These may include games and web applications. Matrimony sites. Matrimonial sites are popular in India and among Indians settled overseas as an alternative to the traditional marriage broker. Matrimonial sites register users, after which they are able to upload their profile onto searchable database mentioned by the website. So this was all about the structure, design, and the types of different websites. So we will see few new things in next lecture. Thank you very much.